God bless you and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others, let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars. May you climb on every rung. May you stay forever young. May you always be righteous. May you always know the truth. May you always know the truth and see the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous, stand upright and be strong. May you stay forever young. May your hands always be busy. May your feet always be swift. May you have a strong foundation when the winds of changes shift. May your heart always be joyful. May your song always be sung. May you stay forever young. May you stay forever young.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Rowan Hillier.